Okay, so this is the Riva Arena smart speaker, and we're going to try a factory reboot with it. First, we have to switch this from the home to the away position. Okay, then we plug it in to the socket. It gets power, it starts to reboot. So for factory reset, I'm going to hold down the center button and the left button. It'll start to pulsate as it does the factory reset, and the color should turn orangish. So now it's doing a factory reset and booting. So we're waiting for it to boot. Notice that the light is pulsating with an orange glow. So to make it stop screeching, I have to unplug it. So that's the only way to make it stop. I can't go any further with the speaker. So is there anyone out there that can help us? Otherwise, we're going to have to throw this in the trash.